Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone 8 or 8 Plus so you can use it with any carrier or in any country. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Check if your iPhone is locked. First, let's see if your iPhone is already unlocked. Head to Settings, General, About. Scroll down to Carrier Lock or Network Provider Lock. If you see no SIM restrictions, you're good to go. Your iPhone is already unlocked. If not, don't worry, we'll fix that. Step 2. Contact your carrier. Next, if your iPhone is locked, you'll need to contact your carrier. Each carrier has different rules for unlocking, but in general, your iPhone needs to be paid off. It must have been active on the network for at least 6 months to a year. Once you meet these requirements, contact your carrier and they'll give you instructions or unlock it remotely. Step 3. Use a third-party unlocking service. If your carrier can't help, no problem. You can use a third-party service. But be careful. Not all services are legit. Some popular, trustworthy ones are Dr. Sim. You can unlock your iPhone from home. Unlock Base supports unlocking across multiple carriers. Step 4. Unlock using iTunes or Finder. After your carrier or service has unlocked your iPhone, you'll need to finish the process. Insert a SIM card from a different carrier. If prompted, connect your iPhone to Wi-Fi or iTunes Finder on your computer. Follow the on-screen steps, and boom, your iPhone is now unlocked. Step 6. Verify the unlock. Finally, to check if your iPhone is truly unlocked, insert a SIM from another carrier. If it works, you're all set. Pro tip: always back up your data before doing any unlocking, just in case. That's it. You've unlocked your iPhone 8 or 8 Plus. You can visit our website, unlocktherapy.net, for more information. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.